In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Add to Cart button on collection pages in Shopify. This is a small change that can make a big difference to your store's conversion rate because it lets customers add products directly from the collection page without having to click into each product. Let's walk through it together step by step. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage products, orders, themes, and settings. Make sure you're on the correct store if you manage more than one and that you have permission to edit the theme. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the section where you manage your online store's appearance. Click on the option to customize or edit your theme. This opens the theme editor, which lets you visually adjust how your store looks without touching any code. Inside the theme editor, you'll see a preview of one of your pages, usually the home page by default. At the top of the editor, there's a drop-down menu that lets you switch between different templates. Click on that and select your homepage if it's not already selected, just so you're starting from a familiar place. Next, we want to move over to your collection pages. In that same template drop-down, look for the option labeled Collections, or something similar depending on your theme. Click on it, and then choose the template called Default Collection. This is the layout that most of your collections will use unless you've created custom ones. Once the default collection template is open, look at the left-hand sidebar in the theme editor. This shows all the sections that make up the page. Find and click on the section called Product Grid. This is the part of the page that controls how your products are displayed in a grid layout on the collection page. Within the product grid settings, look for a setting labeled Quick Add or a similar term. Next to it, you should see an option currently set to standard. Click on that option. This is where you enable the Add to Cart functionality from the collection page, often by selecting a quick add style that shows the button directly under each product. After you've made this change, always remember to save your work. In the top right corner of the theme editor, click the Save button. Wait a moment for the changes to apply, and then preview your collection